So good morning mga kabuchi, welcome to our Prizzle chicken update. So yesterday we put our Prizzle chicken here in our garden mga kabuchi, and then after that we put in their roasting place. We put their food and their water in this area, and then we put roof support at the top mga kabuchi to keep them from the rain. And then nara sila mga kabuchi. I'm not sure what damage they've done to my garden mga kabuchi. I hope that they were eating luya mga kabuchi, and luya can actually improve their tugtugaok. So we have not yet here our recorded the tugtugaok of our mga chicken, of our Brazil chicken. But if you notice mga kabuchi, look at the feeders mga kabuchi. So their feeders, I think one day after being here, their feeders has improved mga kabuchi. Look at the feeders. So it's all standing na. It's getting beautiful na ang mga feeders sa atong mga Brazil chicken mga kabuchi. They are a bit kanang afraid because they don't want to be touched mga kabuchi, but we will not be touching them. We will just be having a video mga kabuchi on our Brazil chicken. So mao ni ilahang business ron here. So diba, okay kayo. Careful. Shh. Where are you going? Pero di gini mubuwag ang puti mga kabutya, ang kani puti hadukan kay ni, but the other one is a team one, dili siya wild. So mo na siya no, wala ra na rattle. So now it looks bigger mga kabutsi. So hopefully mga kabutsi, their wings and their tail mga kabuchi will also get more beautiful mga kabuchi. So muna na sila. So sunlight, they will be having sunlight na. So they can easily find spots where there is sunlight na. Unlike in their cage where they can only get sunlight at 12 noon mga kabuchi, and then filtered pagid ang sunlight. So mo na sila mga kabuchi. They're in the home na. Okay. So they already know where to get water. See, they're drinking water, and then they can also eat anytime mga kabuchi because we are using auto feeder mga kabuchi. So at least they know na. So at night they can also roast in that stick mga kabuchi at night. So last night we teach them to do the roasting because they will just lie down here mga kabuchi, lay down here, which we don't want. So eating na pod. I'm afraid that this chicken mga kabuchi ba kay kanang chicken nga dagko. Kay they look like chick pa man, but they're already bigger ba sila sa chicken ni eating? I think so. Looking down sa kanang mga kabuchi ba, tagkubig kay lang tiil. That is why I decided to keep them outside because it's very dirty ang ilang cage. Because they only eat and pee and poo. Here mga kabuchi, they can walk around. So they can have other activities mga kabutchi that can strengthen their legs mga kabutchi. I want them to start developing muscles because when you touch them mga kabutchi kay ano jud siya bukog. I don't know why bukog ra. When they eat a lot, they should have kuan, but they didn't man. So at least mga kabutchi kanang they're not afraid of me while I am filming them. They're not afraid, oh. But of course, they listen to their surroundings mga kabutchi. Oh, ha? Tama. Okay. So, let's take another picture Manila mga kabutchi. Itong padulagamay mga kabutchi. Ano? Let's take a picture. Okay. So, diba? Nice na mga kabutchi. Look at the feathers. Kung ano dyan siya. Brazil chicken na dyan siya. Kulang na lang siya og wings and tail. So, this is gonna be their new home mga kabutchi. New home of our Brazil chicken. Oh, look at the kuan ang white one. Come here. Ayaw lagi na awaya. I'm afraid that ang palaya mga kabutchi will not survive. Oh, look at that mga kabutchi. Kaon na ang kanang mga kaway-kaway. Ay, naku. Masyud ng paakon. Why paak-paakan na? Oh, diba mga kabutchi? They're very, very big na. Oh, see? Asa na siya? Muli. Uy, muli. Ay, muli. Muli na sila mga kabutchi. So, I think we should end na our video mga kabutchi. Let's end na our video. Balik mo, Agi. Diri. Balik sa Agi. Shh. Ayaw maglokso diya. Diri, balik. Sige na. Hoy! Hoy! Nawa na. Balik. Here. Balik. Sige na. Balik. Awa siya mga kabutchi, oh. Halo. Tabangon sana na ako siya mga kabutchi, ha. We will end na this video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.